Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the course. Welcome back to the episode. So, on our previous tutorials, we learned about how to add what a beam family, and also have learned about how to add what a beam system, and also how to place in a beam in your model. So, on this episode of our course, we are going to learn about an interesting thing in Revit structures. We are going to learn how to add walls, how to add floors. So you are going to learn how to add floors and also slabs and suspended slabs. We are also going to dive in how to add a decking, a roof decking, and also a floor decking with the concrete around it. So guys, with the first start, we are going to do the floor sections. So how to add a floor or a floor on grade. So let's move right away into our Revit tutorial so that we move on to see what we have for you today. So I'll come to my new, what we have been doing already. So I'll use the metric template, which is the metric structure template. From here, I'll just do OK from here. So let's wait for it to open. And as a default template, you always remember that we have two levels which have been created for us. So we have the level 1, level 2. So we assume that the level 1 is starting from the ground level, and we assume that this one is a suspended like floor level, which can be a first floor or any floor like a mezzanine floor. So on today's section, we are going to create a level called a ground floor level. So first of all, what is a slab on grade? A slab on grade. Let me search this from here. Slab on grade. So simply said, a slab on grade is a concrete slab in contact with the soil. When we talk about slab or floor on grade, it's a simply floor which is contact with the slab. So we are going to do this one and also try to let's say create a section for you to know what I'm talking about. So when you check from here, I think I have an image here in which I would like to show you. Some kind of okay. So this is an example of a slab on grade with a foundation beneath it. Okay, the image is not that clear. I will move on to create a similar thing in Revit. So in case you have a project like this, you'll be able to like know how to do. So what we are going to do first is to come to the level 1 because a slab on grade is what in contact with the soil. So we are going to create a topo surface under a massing area. Come to topo, then we pick somewhere here. So we hide our category, which is the topo, and we have our topo there like that. So the next thing that we are going to do is to create maybe 4 columns around. So I'll pick a structure column, and also I'll select 300 by 450 column as a default. So after doing this, I'm going to come into my 3D as we normally do. So this is what we have. Let's see if we can have our topo in there. We change our this to shaded. So let's select our columns in which we place and do 0 and on level 1. So first of all, let's change the top level to level 2 before we change this one to the okay. So doing this, we are going to create our slab on it. So I'll pick, when I come to the structure tab, under the structure area, I have floors. So I'll click here and pick structure. So you can see we have series of floors here. So I'm going to do edit type at the properties palette, and I'll come to duplicate. So we create our floor, which will be slab grade 150 mm thick. Then we change the thickness from here, which will be 150. And on the core band, we maintain the structure, here as well, or the function. So we do OK. Better still, we can also change the type of material which we want to use. We are not going to do that one today. So these are the drawing tools. We can use the pick lines. We have lines here. We have rectangle here. We have like polygons here. So any other thing that you want to do, you can use. So I'm using a rectangle section. Rectangle section. So I'm going to take a section through my slab like this. And we are going to send our slab 150 above the topo, which as the definition says, a slab on grade is a concrete slab in contact with the soil, so it's contact with the topo. So I'll come to my section and my visibility graphics and check my topo here like that. Okay, there we have it. So I can change this one into fine. Okay. So we are going to create a section, a detail section in order to show. But first of all, before we do that, let's create another level so that we send our columns there. Which will be TOF, top of footing or top of foundation. So I'll come to my 3D again, select one column here, select black, or right click and change the base level to TOF, to top of foundation. Okay. So I'll come back into my section in which I took. So you can see the column has been shown in hidden lines, telling you that the column is beneath the soil, right? Okay. So what I'm going to do, go back to my visibility graphics from here, and I'll look for floor. Under the floor section, I'll look for cut pattern. Change this one to a concrete, and the color is going to be black. So there we have it. But I think I have to do it solid. Solid will be okay. So back to my visibility graphics again. Okay, for now, so we are going to use a detail line to create our waterproof memory. So in reality, we have to select the topo. Let's see something. Move it 150 up. So with this, we are going to create a hardcore filling. After that, we are going to use a fill region to create a solid edge. So I'll come to this and edit type, and I'll do duplicate and do it. And I'll change the fill region to edge section. Angle from this side and draw something like this. Because this is going to be our section, I have to also copy the head somewhere here and check this one. So we are going to label what we've done. So this one is going to be our concrete slab. Select the level here and check this one rather. So you select the text in which you just did. Then you point the arrow to the waterproofing memory. This is going to be our hardcore. This is going to be our head. So this is how to create a floor slab and a slab on grade with a section. So thank you for buying this course. Thank you for watching this course. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Peace. Shalom.